Any other questions? Go ahead, please. Yes.
As far as going back to the showering and stuff, I know I've heard this room about that, about getting paid for your sweat and whatnot, but are we not, obligated to be in some type of cleanliness all the time? I mean, because I know some people that sweat more than others, they don't like to be like that. They like to be clean because it's presentable. And I know I've heard, I can't remember, but I know I heard that it's a sense of responsibility for us to be clean, not to be disgusting like that.
So that's very, very good. So first of all, you can apply deodorant before Shabbos. First of all, second of all, you can change your clothing completely. So if your clothing like is fresh, it's not going to smell that much, and plus you have deodorant. It's not such a big deal. People in Yerushalayim, all the Hasidim, they no problem. They walk in 100 degrees weather. There is no problem. Okay, of course, like partially you can wash, and it's proper if you have an early minyan, so that's what you have to go to. So if there's a choice, for example, when we were in Israel, so I would go people start big because they don't want to pay for air conditioner for the shul, right? One of the reasons, right? So they would start even on Shabbos 6 a.m., 5:30 a.m. So I mean, for me it was shock, but okay, they start. It's the closest shul to me, so I would go to that minyan. Very nice that if we finish when it's still fresh outside, 8 a.m. It's not hot. So when it's hot, so we stayed inside, indoors. So that's another solution. If you have an early minyan, go to early one, and then take a nap during the day and enjoy. You understand? So that's what we're trying to do.
Do you also use those nowadays they have those wet?
Oh, wet napkins, baby wipes?
Yeah, something like that, or even washcloth with water. Is that even possible?
We see. Okay, the problem with the baby wipes is that you're going to squeeze. That's the thing. So one of the prohibitions on Shabbos, you're not allowed to squeeze the liquid. So with the baby, even when you wipe the baby, right, the newborn, and not newborn, a baby, you wipe with the baby wipe, you have to be very gentle, not to squeeze the liquid. Absolutely. Oh, even though it is unintentional and it's rabbinical, but still we try not to do that. So if it's baby wipes, for example, somebody asked me before. So I said if you leave them open for some time when it's half dry, not fresh as everybody likes, half dry, when for sure that you're not going to squeeze anything. Yeah, but make sure. Another things with these baby wipes is they actually usually they attach to one another, and you're not allowed to separate them. So whatever you want to use, this baby wipe, there is no problem. Half dry, no problem, but separate them like what you do with toilet paper. You're not allowed to reap by the measurement. That's another issue. Okay, what else? Any other questions? Go ahead.
Yes, so just to add on to what you just to this topic, just to throw it out there, I personally own, and I've seen special baby wipes for Shabbos. They have their own a stamp of approval from rabbis to say it's kosher for use on Shabbos because of their lack of the amount of moisture on the wipes themselves would not constitute as if you break Shabbat. And also I think they're separate. I think they're separate. I haven't to check, but I don't know off the top of my head as well. Yes. So if anybody If you, I think you just find online if you do want to search for those. See these selling in a store near you. You could buy those specifically if you want to use baby wipes. Shabbos.
Okay, thank you very much. Or if you want to wipe yourself with a dry like a napkin, there is no problem whatsoever.
Right, as well, yeah.
So yeah, well, whatever you want to do. So those as I say, I mean, of course they cost 7 times more. It's like capitalism, right? But if you want to do exactly the same, just separate them, leave before Shabbos for them to dry, like for a few days unopened, then they're going to be get dry, like half of dry, and you can use them on Shabbos. Whatever you want, but make sure if you buy, of course, where this gentleman said, of course they are all separated because nobody would put their stamp of approval, right? But if you want a cheaper solution, you just do it yourself. That's it, much cheaper. Same as a Shabbos soap. You go to the store, Jewish store, they sell you the Shabbos, the dish soap, if you need to wash dishes, right? So it's, or even the hand soap for Shabbos. It's very, very watery. So you take your soap, whatever your hand soap, and just put some water, like shake it, and it's going to be as watery as as well, right? So you use it for Shabbos, no problem. Whatever, I mean, much cheaper. Why should you pay like for somebody add water to the soap? You can do the same.